Worst-case sampling selection begins with a simple principle. Sampling locations must represent the highest credible risk of residue persistence and transfer. Selecting locations because they are convenient, easy to access, or historically used does not satisfy this requirement. Instead, sampling locations should be justified based on how residue behaves within the equipment and how contamination could realistically migrate into the next product. A defensible worst-case location reflects several key risk factors. These include areas where residue is most likely to accumulate, surfaces where cleaning is least effective, and points where residue could most easily transfer into the next batch. Sampling locations should also meaningfully challenge the acceptance criterion used to verify cleaning performance. In other words, worst case is defined by risk, not by accessibility. This principle aligns with the expectations of ICH Q9 on quality risk management, which emphasizes that control measures should be proportionate to the level of credible risk. In the context of cleaning validation, this means that the justification for each sampling location should demonstrate a clear link between equipment design, process flow, and residue behavior.